In this video, I hope to show the rig that I plan to use for doing online classes. Turns out for me to go online, I was thinking that I don't use PowerPoint a whole lot. So I use whiteboards and blackboards, doing derivations, drawing pictures, and trying to interact with the students. And I looked into the various kind of digital whiteboard solutions, and they all seemed a little fragile, and they needed specialized hardware, or you had to have a tablet, which I could use, but then that's not my laptop, and so there are some barriers there. So this is the rig that I set up in order to hopefully address these issues. So here's the actual rig, and what I have is I have my laptop connected to an external camera. And the camera in this picture is an iPhone. I've used that. I've also since changed to a webcam, but that's just for convenience because I want to be able to use my phone separately. What's holding it here, I ordered a gooseneck phone holder, which is convenient, but my first iteration had essentially a selfie stick and some duct tape, and I think I used a milk crate at one point. So it's whatever will hold your phone or camera at a certain height away from a pad of paper. So once we have that kind of set up and connected, then I can go into Zoom and simply share my screen. And if I'm using the iPhone, I would select the iPhone iPad via cable under the basic, or under advanced, if I'm using the webcam, the content from second camera. And I'll share it here. And so I share it here, and what I can do is I can write whatever I want to. I can do math. I can draw things. I forgot to put a little circle around the happy face there, and I can write whatever I want. So write whatever you want, and I can point things out. And once I'm done with this page, I just pull back another page, and I'm golden to continue. So and then I can just stop sharing and come right back and do whatever I want to do. So that's my rig. Hopefully it's some help to someone, and